Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are healthy and safe and staying at your home with your parents and grandparents. Today, I Surbi Bhatnagar here to start your new unit of GK, of General Knowledge. Unit 1. The name of the unit is Plants and Animals, in which there are different chapters. We are going to learn that today. Okay students? Let us continue with our unit 1. The name of the unit is Plants and Animals. So, let's continue with our first chapter. The name of the first chapter is Marine Water Plants, the plants which live inside water. A wide variety of colorful plants and animals make a beautiful world in seas and oceans. We can see many different kinds of plants and animals inside oceans or seas, which live in water or which grow in water only. Some examples of marine water plants are phytoplankton, algae, seagrass and mangroves. These types of plants are found nearly all over the world. As these plants grow in the ocean and sea, so we can find these plants nearly throughout the world. Let's talk about phytoplankton. Phytoplankton are microscopic plants that grows in the ocean. Phytoplankton are microscopic, means we cannot see it with our naked eyes. We can't see directly to it. We need some instrument to see these kinds of this plant. The name of this plant is phytoplankton. They are generally green in color. Phytoplanktons are green in color. They are the primary source of food chain in the ocean. Primary source means these are the first source of food. Small fish feed on phytoplankton. Very small fishes usually eat phytoplankton plants. Now let's talk about seagrass. You can see the picture of seagrass over here. It is a type of marine flowering plants. In this is a grass which grow inside the ocean or sea. Like the phytoplankton plant, seagrass also requires sunlight for photosynthesis. Seagrass also prepares its own food and so it requires sunlight. Therefore, it typically grows at or near the surface of water. Because it needs photosynthesis and for that sunlight, so it grows near the surface of water. Okay, look at the picture of seagrass. Now let's come to algae. This is the third marine plant, algae. See, sometimes we see on oceans or sea or on water, some greenish thing is there. That is algae. What we call it? Algae. Algae are the oldest members of plants kingdom. Some types of algae are the Turkish towel, rockweed, feather boa, kelp and dead man's finger. These are the types of algae which are found in water. It is also a marine water plant. Now let's talk about next marine plant, that is kelp. The name of the fourth marine water plant is kelp. Kelp grows in cold coastal water. It usually grows in cold water. It is the largest marine plant in the world. See, it is the largest marine plant in the world. It can reach up to 250 feet. It can be as long as 250 feet. It is typically brown and lives on the surface of ocean. It is of brown color and lives near the surface of ocean. Now our fifth marine plant is mangrove. Mangroves are shrub-like marine plants that thrive in the tropical and subtropical water regions of the world. Many small marine animals create habitats in the roots and branches of mangroves. Many animals, small animals, big animals live on mangroves. This plant is also a food source for some fishes. This plant provides food to fishes also. So, I am concluding my chapter 1 here and let's continue with our chapter number 33 of unit 1. Plants and Animals. The name of the chapter is Plant Quiz. Point number 1, let us talk about cactus. Cactus is the most commonly found plant in desert. Where we can find cactus? In desert. We can find cactus in Rajasthan, as it is a deserted area. They grow in dry places where other plants have trouble living. Other green plants need water to live, but cactus need less water. So it is very easy to survive in dry areas. Their ability to store water keeps them alive. They are having some kind of ability which helps this cactus plants to store water, and they can live properly with that. Cactus are also protected by sharp spines or needles. They are having spines. Whenever we touch the cactus plant, we get hurt from this. Now let us talk about broccoli and cauliflower. What is common between broccoli and cauliflower? These both are a cabbage type of cabbage. One is cauliflower, one is broccoli. We eat the flowers of both plants. If someone asks you what is common in cauliflower and broccoli, you will say it is both are from cabbage family, and we eat the flowers of both plants. Come on, point number 3. Fastest growing plant on land. You can see the picture of a plant over here. Which plant is this? Bamboo. Which plant is this? Bamboo. Bamboo is the fastest growing plant on land. We can build houses, we can build road, we can make accessories, jewelries from bamboo plant. Okay? Always remember, if anyone asks you the fastest growing plant on land, you will say bamboo. Now the fourth one. What is the study of plants called? If someone asks you that what is the study of plants called, you will say botany. What you will say? You will say botany. In botany, we learn many things about plants. How it grows, what we call different parts of plants, and many more. You will learn in your higher classes about it. Just remember, the study of plants is called botany. Now let's come on the fifth point, the tallest growing plant in the world. Giant redwood. This is the giant redwood. It is the tallest growing tree in the world. It is tallest growing tree in the world. Giant redwood. What are the dried grapes called? You have eaten grapes, and when you eat dried grapes, can you recall what we call dried grapes? Dried grapes are called raisins. Dried grapes are called raisins. Kishmish. We eat kishmish now. The kishmish is dried grapes. Which sacred plant is worshipped by Hindus every morning? I think in every home there is tulsi plant, and your mother, father, after birthing, they used to light a diya in front of Tulsi ji. So, if anyone asks you the sacred plant, name of the sacred plant worshipped by Hindus, you will tell Tulsi. Which plant? Tulsi plant. You can see the image over here. In everyone's home it is there. Which plant give us medicine to cure malaria? Now, whenever mosquito bite us, sometimes we catch malaria. Malaria is a disease caused by biting of mosquitoes. So, which plant give us medicine to cure malaria? Cinchona. The name of the plant is cinchona. Plant give us medicine to cure malaria. Under which tree did Lord Buddha get enlightenment? Lord Buddha get enlightenment under pipal tree. Pipal tree. Under pipal tree, Lord Buddha get enlightenment. Name the green pigment due to which the leaves of the plant appear green. Every time a question arises, why the tree leaves are green? The leaves of the tree is green due to chlorophyll, due to pigment called chlorophyll. It looks like this. When we see in microscope, it looks like this. Okay, now I have completed my unit first section plants, chapter 1 and 33. So there is a quick recall. Some marine water plants are phytoplankton, algae, seagrass, kelp and mangroves. Botany is the study of plants. Fastest growing plant bamboo. Giant redwood is the tallest growing tree in the world. We eat the flowers of both cauliflower and broccoli. Dried grapes are called raisins. So thank you students. If you are having any doubt, you can call or WhatsApp me. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay safe, stay healthy.